How to pay Converge internet bill using ShopeePay. Hey guys, for today's video, ituturo ko kung paano magbayad ng inyong internet bill na Converge gamit itong Shopee. Just go to Shopee app at i-click ang Load Bills and Travel. Sa may baba ng bills, i-click ang internet. Select the biller o hanapin at piliin ang internet na inyong babayaran. Pindutin ang Converge at ilagay ang mga sumusunod: account number ng inyong internet, identifier, yung name ng nakapangalan sa inyong internet, at amount kung magkano ang inyong babayaran. Then click continue. Dito sa payment, may 9 peso coins akong ni-redeem at may 10 pesos additional sa payment for convenience fee. Thank you for watching this informative how-to video. We hope you found it helpful and learned something new today. We love hearing your thoughts and questions. If you have any comments, suggestion, or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover in the future video, please share them in the comment section below. Thank you and see you in the next video.